So this tea blend that you guys have seen me make is my 3rd trimester tea blend that I've been drinking. So the tea blends that I showed you 1st, 2nd, and 3rd trimester, you can mix and match any of the blends. You can just have 2 types of herbs or 1. Sometimes I'll just do a straight rosehip tea to get that extra shot of vitamin C. Sometimes I'll just do raspberry leaves, whatever I'm in the mood for. These are just kind of blends that I kind of favored that I would do a little bit more, but you can obviously play around with it and mix and match different blends together. Then I'll also do an overnight infusion. So I'll take a bunch of tea, put it in a larger vessel, pour hot water in it, and let it sit overnight, pull out all of those amazing nutrients out of the herbs. And then the next day I strain it and then I'll drink it throughout the day, which I really like. So I'll mix and match different herbs of whatever I'm feeling that day. Other drinks that I've been doing, in the morning I'll do like a soy milk latte with a certain type of tea blend. In the morning I mostly do like a dandelion root because it's a good substitute for coffee. It kind of still gives you that kind of coffee kind of taste. So I have a bunch of dandelion roots that I harvested over the spring. Simmer that for about 20-25 minutes. And then I'll add my soy milk latte mixture. And in my soy milk, I'll do reishi mushroom, which I pretty much did reishi mushroom all 3 trimesters, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And now my 3rd, I've been adding in some ashwagandha, which I heard is really good for the final stages of pregnancy. So now I've been doing an ashwagandha reishi soy latte with a certain type of tea blend. Sometimes I'll do green tea or black tea if I want a little bit of caffeine. I know that you can have, I think, about 200 milligrams of caffeine a day. So, you know, there's some days where I'm like, okay, I'll do a splash of coffee in here, but it's very rare. But sometimes, you know, I do miss coffee and I miss the smell and the taste. So I'll do a little bit of coffee sometimes. Honestly, maybe like once a month, I'll be like, okay, I'll have like a little bit of coffee, but it's no big deal, you know. So, but mostly I'll do the dandelion root with a rose black tea, or I'll just do like a chai with my soy milk mixture, which is really good. For the holidays, I've been doing some pumpkin spice lattes, and now I'm switched over to peppermint because it's more Christmassy. The snow is outside, so I'm just feeling more of that peppermint kind of taste. So I'll add a little bit of peppermint to it, which has been really good and like warm. Also into my tea too, I have a bunch of peppermint and mint and chocolate mint from harvesting over the spring and the summer. So I've been adding that also into my tea blends as well. And you can make these tea blends whether you're pregnant or not. They're amazing for you, especially raspberry leaf. Even before I was pregnant, I was drinking raspberry leaves all the time for cramping. They help with cramping, they help soothe the cervix, and while you're pregnant, they help shape the cervix. They recommend you not drink raspberry leaves during your 1st trimester. You don't want your cervix to be too soft and stuff, so start taking raspberry leaves. So like if you're taking raspberry leaves to try to conceive or for cramping during your period and whatnot, and to help, you know, detox your body and get it ready for getting pregnant. But then they say 1st trimester, you know, try not to have it, and then 2nd and 3rd trimester, drink it up. So, but down in the comments below, I will write out each tea blend that I make here. I'll also throw in some other amazing herbs that you guys can be drinking during pregnancy, or just amazing herbs to include into your diet anyway, that are really good for your body. So you can see that down in the comments. And if you're new to tea or want to get into tea, it can get very overwhelming with the options and with so much out there and trying to learn everything. Just start small. Just try to find a raspberry leaf tea and try that during your menstrual cycle, or just incorporate it in your day sometimes, and then go from there, and then maybe add in some nettle or add in some mint, and then find out like, oh, I don't really like this, the way that this tastes, or I like this better. Just start small, and eventually your tea knowledge will grow. Herbs in general are just made for the body, and the earth grows them for us to consume them to help heal certain ailments, or just to make us feel better, or so much more. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys for the next video. The next video is going to be my 2nd trimester recap, because I am now officially in my 3rd trimester, which is so crazy to think how fast it's going. Only a couple more months and we get to meet this beautiful, beautiful baby that I've been feeling just rocking and rolling in my tummy hardcore. So I'm really excited, and yeah, so I will see you in the next video for my second trimester recap and update about how everything was going. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.